with folded hands. Jai Ma Ambe. The beautiful feeling, by the grace of the goddesses. But we are here to have the spectacular celebration of Navratri Pan-India at our prestigious country club. Friends, in a world of today, where we all look forward to spending time with our loved ones, this is one of the beautiful festivals, which is the longest festival of the world. The longest dance festival where we all come together and enjoy Ras Garba. By the blessings of Durga Ma, this is the grand beginning, as it gives me a huge honor, and I'm truly elated to welcome our respected chairman and managing director of this prestigious country club. It's been 3 decades, so I'm going to please request all of you to cheer as I shall welcome our trailblazer, the young living legend. Let's give it up for Mr. Rajiv Reddy. I'm going to please request you for a bouquet. I'd like to present a bouquet to Mr. Rajiv Reddy, sir, as the brand ambassador of Navratri for Country Club, and this is a very, very special moment. Sir, can I please have the honor of requesting you to join us here? Thank you, sir. Beautiful moment once again to all those who just joined us here. बहुत शुक्रिया to our friends from the media. ये बहुत खूबसूरत सा पल है because we get to listen from our living legend himself. और हम सब जानते हैं कि बिल्कुल humble beginning से उनकी शुरुआत हुई, and now of course he rules the world of the beautiful clubs, and at the same time, friends, Pan India Country Club celebrates grand in a very, very spectacular way the Navratri celebration. So welcome to Dandiya Nights 2K24.
Good morning, dear friends from the media from Bombay. It's always fun and always exciting to be here with all of you guys. You have been the witness to the major promotion of the country club right from the beginning. In fact, standing here, I feel that about 25 years back when we started the project here, a lot of people didn't know the existence of the country club, brand country club. But then Bombay gave us the opportunity, and also and the media supported us. And my dear friends, on the occasion of this launch, we are trying to figure out a way to grow forward. Can you, as media, tell me which is the biggest hotel chain in the world? Hotel chain, JW Marriott, having about 8,000 hotels around the world.
Wow.
Next is Hilton. Next is Hyatt. So you can understand the need for franchisees because of lack of capital. You to grow exponentially, you require amazing capital, but after some time, it is only revenue model that counts. So the required brand mix is necessary.
So please be here with us, if you don't mind. It's okay, right? Because I want to ask you something, that's why. So thank you very much, Country Club, and it's my absolute first love with Navratri, where I became a part of the Country Club family, and right from 2016, 2016 mein, which was the time that we came up with this Asia's biggest Navratri Utsav, 2K24 Pan India. Of course, at that time, in 2016, it was 2016, but right now, of course, we are here 24. So over the years, I've been truly, absolutely on a beautiful, divine journey altogether, and I thank Country Club. तो मैं आप सबसे कहना चाहूँगी कुछ बातें. सबसे पहले ये बात कहना चाहूँगी कि 2016 में जो मेरा पहला एसोसिएशन था with Country Club all over Asia was very, very special because वहाँ पर एक किताब लॉन्च हुई थी 9 Nights Navratri, जो सर ने अनवील की थी, सर ने लॉन्च की थी वो all over Asia. And उस किताब में लिखा है, उस नवरात्रि की पहली किताब में, which was also launched by our former Chief Minister of Gujarat, Srimati Anandiben Patel, उसमें लिखा है उस किताब में that it should be a dance for everyone. क्यों होना चाहिए सभी के लिए, कोई भी nationality हो, कितना भी weight हो, और you know चाहे वो कोई भी age के हो, तो क्यों होना चाहिए, उस किताब में लिखा है. And we are so fortunate, sir, that just in December 2K23, UNESCO announced it as the cultural heritage, the intangible cultural heritage Garba. So this is
we had come up with this novel idea of having this festival, yoga, during the COVID times, and it was a huge hit and a big advantage to all the people who were staying indoors those days. I just cannot forget those dark days. But then Country Club was the most restless, I think, brand. We made sure that people had fun during those times also.
So that is Country Club at your doorstep. So already the world loves Country Club, is what I wanted to tell you, because the world watched Country Club page live every single day for 5 months, the entire pandemic. And उसके साथ ही साथ जब नवरात्रि आई, तो सबसे पहला, the very first press conference was by our very renowned Parul Chawla. So Parul, you were here at the same place, and that was your very first press conference. So thank you to Country Club, because तब भी sir ने कहा that Garba should go to the world. तो हमने DJ रखा था, sir.
Historic landmarks of Country Club. In fact, during the Friendship Day, we had taken 1 lakh signatures and then sent it to the Honorable Prime Minister at that time, Mr. Vajpayee ji, and he had called me to Delhi personally and endorse Friendship for Peace. That time we had Pakistan ka war chal raha tha. So on the Friendship Day, I personally met Mr. Vajpayee, and then he gave me an advice. He said, put his arm around me and he said, "Ready sir, आप एक हिंदी में कहावत है, आप देश को, आप दोस्तों को बदल सकते हैं, लेकिन पड़ोसी को नहीं."
And a visionary in whatever you achieved and attempted so far has always been a benchmark for others. Firstly, let me congratulate you for the club franchisee model that we're working and announced about 100 in this coming year. Please tell us about that.
Well, that's the most natural way of growth, Varun. Let me tell you one thing. Most of the big brands around the world, they can only grow to that extent, and that extent only because they suffer from lack of bandwidth, either in terms of finance or in terms of manpower or in terms of geographical expansion. So this is the most natural thing that can happen to Country Club, because today we are a zero-debt company. This COVID has taught us a lot of lessons. Coming out from the COVID, we decided that the most natural way to expand is the franchisee route. and that route already has received tremendous success, and we have already got about 30 franchises. We aim to take it to about 100 in this coming year. There are a lot of people in the market who have shown, especially one club, people who want to take advantage of the country club because of its major membership bank of about 2 million people, and this is a big win-win situation, a happy situation for everybody. And looking at the entire global phenomenon, especially in tourism and in industry around the world, where United States tops, and China, and then India, of course, in the 8th or 9th level. So what I foresee is with the growth of this kind of phenomenal growth in tourism, I'm sure I think Country Club has got a major opportunity, because it is the only family club that has got so many members around anywhere in the world.
Talking about Navratri Utsav, which is an iconic Utsav when it comes to our country, and I think across all clubs we're going to be very extensively participating. We'll have members participating, and there'll be a lot of fun and fervor, and we have the beautiful brand ambassador for Country Club, who's also a torch bearer when it comes to Garba, the dancing queen. Mr. Reddy, we would like to know from you, what are the plans for this Navratri Utsav?
Well, let me tell you one thing. When I started this concept, I believed that the Country Club belonged to the country actually. And when I say that in Navratri time, especially, all roads will lead to the Country Club, you will find that all roads in all the places of the Country Club, whether it is Bombay, whether it is Hyderabad, whether it is Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Surat, Pune, Delhi, Calcutta, all these places would be packed, and I'm sure, I think, you will not believe this, 25 years back when we started this particular concept in Hyderabad, not many people even knew what Navratri Garba was and Dandiya was. But when I brought people from Surat, I had to get people from Surat because people in the south didn't know what Navratri was. When we bought them, and in a short time, all the Gujarati Sammelans were empty. They were all in the Country Club. So what we did was, like I was telling you, when I make a statement that Country Club belongs to the country, I mean, I really mean it, in the sense, all the essence, beautiful, like Baisakhi, Lohri, Christmas, New Year, all these celebrations take place in the Country Club in a huge manner, and more than anything else, it is the biggest family chain. You will find a lot of Nana, Nanis, members and their children all coming together. So that is the big USP of the Country Club.
रेड्डी साहब, आपसे एक सवाल है कि जो कंट्री क्लब के मेंबर नहीं है, वो पर्सन नवरात्रि फेस्टिवल में चार्ज पे करके पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं?
Yes, there are few guest passes would be there, but first preference will be given only to the members of the Country Club. उनके साथ आ सकते हैं, members के साथ.
My next question is to you, Simran. Congratulations on winning so many accolades and titles. 18 international national titles for Garba is a very big deal. The dancing queen of Garba. How proud are you to be titled as that, and also the brand ambassador for Navratri Utsav when you're performing at the Country Club in Hyderabad this Navratri? Please tell us about it.
It's very, very special, and I'm humbled and full of gratitude because नाचना कभी allowed नहीं था घर में बचपन में. So mom never allowed 9 nights, तो सवाल ही नहीं होता कि 9 रात हम बाहर जाएं खेलने. So dance was a complete no-no at home. Just starting from there, I've only participated for 18 years in competitions and won all 18 queen titles by the grace of the goddess. And jab se I've been associated with Country Club, that's 2016. I can definitely tell you that it's absolutely been universal for me. Garba has been universal. So when I represented India at Miss India Magnificent in 2013 at Niagara Falls, वहाँ पर when I performed Garba, all the international contestants wanted to know ये क्या है. I said it is spiritual significance. They said, oh, we have no idea about this. Can you explain to us? And तब मुझे भी नहीं पता था ज़्यादा उसके बारे में. So I said, why don't we Google? And Google पे they couldn't really get the sense of what is Navratri and what is the the dance form Garba and Dandiya, and that's how ये पहली किताब है 9 Nights Navratri, which was unveiled by Srimati Anandiben Patel, our former Chief Minister of Gujarat, and internationally it was unveiled by Mr. Rajiv Reddy, sir, who allowed me to go global. And thereafter, of course, culture ambassador of Paris, 2 saal se lekar, I've traveled all around the world. Last year, we performed at New York at Times Square, where lakhs of people were watching us and doing Garba with us. And absolutely an honor to represent India at the Bharat Mahotsav. And it's been completely amazing. At the same time, किताब तो है पहली, अब जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, this year Navratri is magnificent across the world because of the UNESCO's intangible cultural heritage being announced last year in December. So thanks to Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Just like yoga, now Garba is also going global all across the world. And this is the beauty of it. At the same time, my film Dance Like a Goddess, which is on being never allowed to dance to winning 18 titles, so all the topmost jo titles hain India mein. And 2011 I was in America and wahan par bhi maine best dancer ka title jeeta for the competition. So I'm truly blessed to be here. And thank you to Country Club. Jab se 2016 se I'm traveling with Country Club all over. And Hyderabad, this is absolutely the truth. I know that because when we used to go to Hyderabad, people used to say, oh, we really are learning what Dandiya Garba is. And we've also done workshops there. Along with yoga, हमने workshops भी किए हैं of Dandiya Garba. And everyone just loves Country Club at Hyderabad now for Navratri. And Pan India, it's going to be really rocking. Country Club rocks. So can we do that? Country Club rocks?
Yeah,
1, 2, 3. Country Club rocks.
With a 2 million base, what are we targeting with 100 franchises in the coming years?
Maybe we will, minimum will be double that, maybe it will be about 4 to 5 million.
That's a big number.
Yeah. No, you should understand that, a lot of banks are also funding the Country Club memberships. So if the banks and the institutions can see a future in the concept of the Country Club, especially for the middle class, upper middle class, aspiring classes and all that, you can understand what homework they would have also done. And you should understand that this is the concept meant for the community. Country Club is not elite. Country Club is not 5-star. Country Club is meant for the community, for the particular aspiring classes, for the middle class, upper middle class, even the rich classes also. But the USP of the Country Club has been always value for money. And also we have stood by all the traditional functions of the society, like Navratri we are talking about. So इसमें क्या होता है, ज़्यादा मिलना जुलना होता है, and it is, you find today हैदराबाद में आए तो आपको पहले this kind of exposure was not there. अभी every second person, every third person is in the Country Club, and he has imbibed the culture of mixing, getting along with the society, and there is a lot of change of perception.
You have a question?
How many cities this will be conducted simultaneously?
In about 10 cities.
And out of Navratri 9 nights, how many nights will be this?
All nights.
All
All
nights.
nights.
All nights.
Simran, what are the preparations, your outfits? They look lovely. 9 days is like a lot of planning, and every day is got a color significance. Would you like to share that with us?
Oh, this is beauty, absolutely. So every day is a specific color which is dedicated to the goddess. So every day we have the 9 forms of goddesses, and every day it is dedicated to them. And of course, at the same time, I am a lot multicolor. So I believe in a multicolor, but just because Sir mentioned, Simran, don't repeat your outfit, I wore a different color this time, and that is pink and orange. But usually I'm always something with blue and tones of the multicultural thing. What is more important is the tradition, right from the fabric to the abla, everything is handwork. So इसे बनाने में कम से कम 3 महीने लगते हैं. एक एक पूरा हाथ से बनाते हैं. Like you see the dupla, every abla is made of handwork. We have a lot of patches, which we use. And I go to Kutch, especially to shop. And I also like to mention, sir, that when I came to Hyderabad, the Hyderabad castle is unbelievable. I had no idea about the Hyderabad castle, which is completely unique. And coming to Bandipur, the wildlife is completely magical. And of course, वहाँ पर भी हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि Hyderabad is of course very, very huge for Navratri. So it's a very special outfit, Parul, this time for Navratri at Hyderabad. And just 3 days back when we were at Hyderabad, the best thing is now that the metro is just outside Country Club. So people don't have to really, get squeezed in the cars. They can aaram se come by metro, come there, dress up, enjoy, dance all night long. And you know, by the grace of the goddesses, by the blessings of Ma Ambe, and really enjoy these 9 nights, and especially in a day and age of today, where Country Club believes कि families को साथ में आना चाहिए. हम सब इतने busy हैं अपने दुनिया में, अपने mobile phones में, अपने life में, अपने gadget में. So Country Club is the only club which gives us this opportunity कि her celebration is in the most magnificent way. So I'm very excited to showcase मेरे इस साल के all 9 outfits are brand new. Very excited. Thank you.
Which cities will you be attending in Navratri?
I'm going to Paris, Dubai, Hyderabad, Country Club Mumbai, Delhi one day at Pondicherry, and 2 days I'm judging here the main rounds.
When you go to Paris, you have the French foreign.
In French, they don't understand English.
So
they speak French, I speak English.
Okay, so they are also participating in.
And they're only French. So I like to give it a mention that I've been the cultural ambassador at Paris, which is 100 years old cultural center, and they were only French people, so nobody speaks English. And they're commenting, they're telling me also they want to reciprocate. They're saying cuckoo, cuckoo. I said, well, what does that mean? That means like good, we had fun doing Garba. So also I've taught them, I've taken workshops, conducted workshops. We've also conducted workshops just the way at Hyderabad initially for Dandiya Garba. We've conducted workshops there, and they all are very excited, right from Bindi to Gagra Choli, Chanya Choli. They wear and the guys, oh my God, they look like Krishna, you know, there. And they also know what the Kedia is. They can't pronounce, of course, but most of them, because they knew, but they like to wear the Indian attire with payal. And I was surprised because I took salwar kameez when I went to Paris, thinking that when I saw everyone in Chanya Choli, I was like ashamed. I said, oh my God, I should have worn, because I thought it's just a workshop, but even for workshop, they're so well dressed. So it's absolutely a huge honor. And now that it's a part of UNESCO, it's absolutely the pride of our entire country now. And more than that, it has spiritual significance, which is the essence of our country, Bharat, because we are a spiritual country.
मैम कंट्री क्लब की आप ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं, कितना
जी।
प्राउड फील करती हैं जब ये लोग बोलते हैं कि आप ब्रांड एम्बेसडर?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और मैं प्लीज़ मुझे अलाउ कीजिए, मैं ये ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगी, सच में मैं दिल से कहती हूँ, लोग नहीं जानते थे पहले, बट ये जो पैंडमिक था हमारे लिए, कंट्री क्लब के लिए बिगेस्ट ब्लेसिंग था। जहाँ मैंने सर से के साथ डिस्कशन था, 15 मार्च अनाउंस हुआ था दैट यू नो लॉकडाउन है, और 16 मार्च सर ने डिस्कस किया, हमने डिस्कस किया फ़ोन पे। सर ने बोला कंट्री क्लब एट योर डोर स्टेप शुरू करो। मैंने कहा सर आर यू श्योर, लोग कैसे आएंगे, आपकी टीम नहीं है, फ्लायर्स कौन बनाएंगे, यू नो हु विल कम ऑनलाइन। ही सेड लेट्स ट्राई ना। और सच में पता नहीं था, यहाँ तक कि कनाडा, यूएसए से, साउथ अमेरिका से तो थे, लेकिन जापान के लोग, वी हैव द वीडियो विद अस, हमारे पास वीडियो है, जापान के लोग फेसबुक पे नहीं थे। सो उन्हें पता चला अबाउट कंट्री क्लब एट योर डोर स्टेप योगा, and they joined Facebook, and then they didn't know English, so वो translation समझ के उधर comments भी करते थे, और translation करके 60 years 3 beautiful girls are their friends, ladies, one is 60 years, one lady, she said I've never done yoga, and just because yoga देखकर she reached 5 महीने में doing 60 सूर्य नमस्कार। ये रेस की बात नहीं है, योगा इज जस्ट आप बैठ के चैंटिंग भी करो ना, सिर्फ ब्रीदिंग भी करो ना, और सिर्फ पॉजिटिव भी सोचो, वो भी योग है। बट दिस इज द मिरेकल। एंड सर हम लाइव गए, सर यू रिमेंबर द जापानीज पीपल, दोज 3 लेडीज, दे लर्नड इंग्लिश, उन्होंने इंग्लिश सीखी जस्ट टू कम्युनिकेट टू अस, एंड वी वर ऑन कॉन कॉल, इट वाज अ कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल, आदित्य वाज द वन हु कनेक्टेड अस, यू रिमेंबर आदित्य, एंड उन्होंने दे लिखे पढ़े, आधी इंग्लिश में पढ़ रहे हैं दैट थैंक यू कंट्री क्लब। सो आई थिंक दिस इज द मिरेकल। तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है वेयर एवरीवन कनेक्ट्स एंड एवरीवन टीजेस मी, लाइक कंट्री क्लब रॉक्स। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम द मीडिया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं आपके। प्लीज एंजॉय नवरात्रि, आप सब पारुल दे ऑल कैन कम हियर एंड एंजॉय नवरात्रि विद अस प्लीज। यहाँ पर भी है कांदिवली ऑल्सो, राइट सर, एंड ऑल्सो कांदिवली, अगर आप कांदिवली साइड हैं तो इट्स ऑल्सो कंट्री क्लब कांदिवली। अपने अपने फैमिलीज के साथ आ जाना, आप लोग काम करना, फैमिली खेलेंगे, एंजॉय करेंगे डांडिया करना। थैंक यू, शुक्रिया, नमस्ते।